Hey there, so today I am in front of a Mattamy model called the Harbor. I wanted to run over here because they're phasing out this model. You will no longer be able to buy any new ones. I think there's 3 left right now for quick move-ins, and this is December of 2024. This is my favorite model. I thought, let me just come down here and grab a quick little video because when you may see it on the resale market, and I have a lot of people, as you know, I am the Watersong Realtor. I've sold more homes in Watersong than any other agent in the resale market, and I'm getting pretty close on the new market as well. So I want to take a look at this model because it's the largest model in all of Watersong, and we don't know what the new models are going to be and how big they're going to be. I really don't think they're going to be more than 2,800 square feet. So we're at one that is 2,564. The Harbor model is a 3-bedroom with a flex room and 2.5 bath, 3-car garage. And I just love the way this model flows. I am Gail DeMarco and I'm your St. John's local real estate agent. So if you're looking at anything from here to Nocatee to Ponte Vedra, St. Augustine, I'm your girl. If you have been to my channel, well, you're brave. You've come back, so welcome. And if you've never been to my channel, well, please, I would love to have you as one of my subscribers. So if I bring you a new video, you'll be the first to find out. Let's go take a look at this model. So if you're over 55 and you're thinking about downsizing, but you still want the space, this may be the model for you. Again, I'm Gail DeMarco, 904-640-8000. Let's go take a look. Okay, so now you've had a great little tour of my Harbor model, my favorite model, but again, the new models have not come out. It's 2024 in December. This is the largest model in all of the water salon community, the over 55. And a lot of people think, when they think over 55, they're like, you know what? I really don't want to downsize that much, because let's face it, we have a lot of stuff. Now this house has plenty of room for storage. You saw the garage, it's huge. The lifestyle change you're going to make is going to be a positive one. And let's take a look outside, because this lanai, it's an extended lanai. I absolutely love it. You can put your dining room table, sitting area. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed seeing the outside lanai. So a lot of people do like the screened-in porches. I'm one of them, but I have quite a few clients who don't. You know, they're Floridians, and they're like, I would never do that. Whatever your choice is, I can make that happen for you. The outside space, I mean, you could have fire pits, you can have pools. I mean, there's a pool behind me. There's plenty of room here. And if you want a lot that is smaller, I could do that too. If you want a lot that is bigger, just let me know what you're looking for. So I hope you enjoyed my tour of the Harbor model. My name is Gail DeMarco, and my phone number is 904-640-8000. So if you're thinking of relocating to St. Johns County or Ponte Vedra, please reach out and call me. I work with people all the time, just like you. So if you're thinking about it or you're actually ready to make the move, let's chat, okay? I'm free advice. Pick up the phone and call me. Have a great one.